Hey guys, this is a quick update video for a customer as well as a quick new product introduction. This is going to be a 44 volt nominal, fully UL listed battery enclosure assembly. This is a Tesla Model S battery module, but this is a very special one. It's been modified to double the voltage, so now it's 44 volts nominal. We're the only people in the world who can do that, at the moment at least. This enclosure is going to be fully UL listed. All the relevant components are UL listed. The 100 amp fuse, the UL listed relay, pre-charge resistor. The battery management system is not UL listed, but that is below 100 watts, so it is exempt. We were going to mount the BMS, the main module, here on the back pan, but unfortunately it's hitting one of the latches, so I'm going to put it right here on top of the battery, double-sided tape it, put a square of foam here and here to compress them down. We'll have the 100 amp out here, positive and negative, for connection to the vehicle. This will be the charging circuit, 25 amp maximum. The charging circuit's fused with 25 amps here, and the power circuit's fused with 100 amps here. The battery is going to be strapped down to the enclosure with these fiberglass straps that go across, and some 4-inch long bolts that come up here. It's going to be 3 of these. And to operate it, all you have to do is, this is the temperature sensor that's going to be mounted to a couple of the cells on the back here. And here's how you operate it. Push the button. So at the moment I haven't programmed this one yet, so it's going to show a very low state of charge. Pre-charge. And then the main relay comes on. So it's beeping because it thinks it's at 7% state of charge. That'll go away once I reprogram it. Of course, it'll be fully operational with the lid closed. There we go. Now it's completely waterproof, up to NEMA 4 rated, so it's rated for outdoor installation. And to turn it off, just hit the button. Back on. And now it's on. Hopefully I can reduce that delay time once I get it connected to a computer. There is a little LED that I'll be able to plug in here, and this power switch is actually lighted, so I think I'm going to be able to connect the LED output of the BMS to the light circuit of the switch, which is these 2 terminals here. To comply with UL, there's going to be a mechanical and electrical drawing here on the back of the lid. Well, this one is 100% complete except for mounting these last 2 items and cleaning up a little bit of the wiring as well as the drawings. Here's a completed battery with the temperature sensors on the cells on the back here. This connects to the BMS. The 13 cells for the 13 wires for the 12 cells. 4 back pans ready to go, and enclosures here. There's 2 enclosures. There's the rest of the back pans. Should add up to 14. There's a few enclosures there on the wall. 2 more over there. Let's go inside. There's 1 more. These are all prepped and ready to go. Button cutouts, CGB cutouts. All the wiring on these modules is finished. The only thing I have to do is crimp the connector onto these and strain relief it. here's another completed one. Strain relieved cell tap connection and strain relieved temperature sensor connection here on the back. So yeah, these are all going to a customer in Texas. They're going to be going on small electric vehicles for music festivals.